Basta Mac,
Ano,
trip pa.
Bakit?
IG namin nawala eh.
Di ba pati nga Facebook mo nawala?
3 weeks ago.
Okay, sobrang bigat. Nakagawa ka ba ng ibang platform? Hindi. Ano?
Doon lang kami nakakabenta, Facebook, Instagram.
Bigat nun sa ano? Paano yung Soul Republic?
Wala, di try ayusin kung anong magagawa.
Ang bigat kung kailan pa naman tayo may bagong project. Tsaka pag ganito nangyari. Sobrang stressful. Paano plano natin?
This is Phase Ed Music.
Hi guys, I'm Makoy.
And I'm Lerwin.
Welcome to Soul Republic Vlog.
Oh, ba't parang malungkot ka?
Ikaw din eh.
Wait nga. Ulitin natin, sis.
Hi guys, I'm Makoy.
And I'm Lerwin.
Welcome to Soul Republic Vlog.
Yan, mas okay.
Yan, better, of course.
Okay.
Di ba naman ako kasi kanina?
Yun nga. Yung Facebook and IG kasi namin, na-disable 3 days ago?
Tapos yung Facebook 3 weeks, no?
Yes.
So yeah, medyo mabigat nga yun.
This is Phase Ed Music.
So, hindi naman kami pwede mag-dwell doon. So, meron na kaming bagong Facebook, meron pa kaming bagong IG.
Yes.
So, dito, paki-follow na lang. Yung link nandito na ipopost namin sa YouTube video na to. So, please follow. So, yun nga. Gano'n ba katagal yung IG mo na yun?
Since 2014, yun na yung ginagamit namin na IG. So, 9 years.
9 years. So, kailan ba anniversary ng Soul Republic?
October.
October.
Yes.
Ano ba ngayon? September. Kailan sa October?
October 2.
October 2. So, ano ba meron ngayong October? Siyempre, meron kaming surprise para sa inyo.
Yes.
Ano ba? Ilan na ba branch namin? We have one in Uptown. We have one in
In Robinson, Manila, and we're opening a new one in Cebu.
New Star Cebu.
Yes, this
So, yun yung
October.
third branch namin. That is one of the surprises that we are going to give you this anniversary year, this anniversary month rather, of Soul Republic.
Yes.
So, ano ba yung kailangan natin gawin? Kasi meron kaming surprise. Bukod doon sa branch, we'll be giving away a pair of Travis Scott olives sa isang random subscriber na naka-follow dito sa YouTube namin. So, ano ba yung mechanics? So, napakadali lang naman ng mechanics namin. We want you to follow our new Instagram, our new Facebook. Of course, follow our YouTube channel. Tag 3 of your friends if you met the qualifications after the draw. Yung draw nga pala namin is gagawin sa opening ng Cebu branch namin, which is in New Star
Yes.
Resort. Hotel and Resort, tama? Hotel and Resort. Ano ba si New Star?
Actually siya yung pinaka high-end tsaka bagong mall ngayon sa Cebu.
Yes, this is the first mall, hotel resort mall and casino na magdadala ng luxury brands sa Cebu, first in Cebu.
Yes.
So Soul Republic fortunately is part of it. We'll be opening one of our most luxurious branch rather, biggest branch of Soul Republic ever. So how many square meters yun?
130.
130 square
Yes.
meters, my dear friends. Yun nga guys, since we announced already our third branch of Soul Republic, which is in New Star Cebu, we are expecting of course your usual support sa amin when habang nasa Manila kami, habang nandito kami sa Manila, bumibili pa rin kayo sa amin all the way from Cebu. So, bakit ba kasi Cebu? Ang layo-layo sa Manila.
Kasi meron talaga kaming market sa Visayas and yeah, specifically Cebu.
Yeah, and of course, bakit nga ba kami mag-open doon? Kahit nakakabili na sila. Of course, we wanted them to experience yung Soul Republic shopping experience na meron dito sa Manila. So, we wanted all of our clients to have that kind of experience para hindi na sila mahirapan, not only in their fingertips, but makikita nila upfront lahat ng product offerings na meron sa Soul Republic.
Yes. Okay, so yun na nga, na-announce na namin yung nangyari sa Facebook and Instagram page namin. Tapos, second is yung anniversary giveaway. Tapos yung third is
Branch opening,
yung
new branch.
opening. And i-expect nyo na na to, lagi na kami gagawa ng contents, mag-vlog, mag-unbox.
Yeah, anything
Yes.
about Soul Republic makikita nyo. And we are also expecting na, katulad dati, sa 9 years na pinagsamahan natin, you will still show us the same support that you've given out all throughout. So, yun lang guys. So, see you on our next vlog. Peace.
Yes, kita-kits sa next vlog.
Kita-kits mga ka-Soul Crew.